Hello, good morning, all of you. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So today we will start a new topic that is called the fluid film lubrication. मैं इतनी देर से बोल रहा था, हाँ, आप बता देते। ठीक है, आई विल स्पीक अगेन। So basically हम इस टॉपिक को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. दिस टॉपिक इज कॉल्ड द फ्लूइड फिल्म lubrication. Okay. So like we have discussed the lubricant. So their application is in the lubrication. So lubrication is very useful phenomena. Okay, we have lubrication like lubrication is a practice that nature do every day. Okay, nature produce lot of lubricant in our human body. So and it is also producing the additive like in our human body we have 206 bones. Okay, every bones move in its own direction. Every bone has its own motion. बोन की मोशन अलग है, उसकी वजह से फ्रिक्शन को उन बोन में एक एडिटिव प्रोड्यूस होता है, लुब्रिकेंट होता है. So nature is producing the lubricant and it is taking care of the bones. So similarly, if you will see the example of a texture, okay, texture of the surface. So if you will study like कि surface में आपकी texture से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? So most of the people have this question कि what is the role of texture in the surface? What is the role of texture? What is the role of texture? If you will see the example of the texture in the fish surface, so texture on the fish surface is to reduce the friction. If you will the texture on a human hand, okay, that is increase the friction. Like you can see the best example of this, one texture increase the friction and one texture decrease the friction. The fish on the fish surface we have a spherical texture, spherical dimples. They reduce the friction. But on our human hands, we have a texture that is made of lines that increase the friction. Okay, you will see this example of the nature. And if you do various other example where nature do various other fish and animals, they have a different kind of texture to increase the friction, to decrease the friction. So this lubrication term started about 100 years back, but nature is doing lubrication since the advancement in animal means bone structure is done. So if you will see the nature, like we are the best creature of the nature. We are surviving since last 10,000, and before 10,000 years ago, it is said, and we I have read in the history book and biology book. Before us, there is a dinosaur was there. So dinosaur, if they also have the bones, so their body also produce the lubricant. Their body also produce the fluid. Their body also produce the additives, and they have the bones. So there is a sliding, and sliding is also there. So you can see the example of this nature. Nature is producing lot of lubricants. Okay, and it is taking care of every time friction, and according to need nature increase the friction, according to need nature decreases the friction. So this is the example. So nature also take care of the lubricants. So the best example that you have seen the hip joint replacement surgery, knee joint replacement surgery, कौन करता है ये? So knee joint replacement surgery. So what happens that the their body is unable to produce the sufficient number of lubricant. So due to that issue, lubrication finish. Okay, they condition that the lubrication starvation is there, and due to that starvation, our joints started erosion. So here you will see the new term, that is the tribology. So before discussing the lubrication, we will discuss the tribology. How tribology comes. So here you will see that tribology was first derived in 1966. Okay, but this term is derived in 1966, but study on tribology is going on before many years back. If you will see the if you will see the tribology generally is called the study of friction, wear, and lubrication. And if you will see the history, so first invention of the human history is the tire or wheel. ओके, टायर और व्हील बोला जाता है, ठीक है। टायर और व्हील्स को बोला जाता है, लेकिन बिफोर दैट व्हाट हैपेंस, उससे पहले क्या होता था? ओके, उससे पहले पीपल यूज टू डू द स्लाइडिंग. Sliding increase the friction, okay, increase the wear, but tire that has the rolling motion, due to that we have less friction. Okay, so this friction practice is done ancient Greek, in the time of Greek also, when they are a very big stone, so they use water as a lubricant to decrease the friction. So term was first coined on March 9, 1966, after publishing of a report by the British Minister of State for Education and Science. So what was there? And similar study was done in USA, Canada, counterpart country. So basically at that time, 1966. So you will see the, if you will discuss about the revenue. So mechanical company generate the more revenue as compared to the software companies. Okay, and mechanical company pay more tax to the country as compared to the software company. If you will see the example of like income, railway, and railway employs about 15 lakh people, and in the automobile industry more than 3 crore people are directly or indirectly employed. Okay, so they generate the huge revenue, and they also add in the GDP. So in India, we incur loss of more than 2,000 crore of rupees annually due to the bad tribological practice. In India, this kind of study is not available, okay, as it is done the USA. So tribologically, basically, if you will not use best lubricant, good lubricant, there is chance of the wear. If your component, like if I will say the bearing, some bearing cost about 1 crore, 2 crore. Okay, if you will not use a good quality of lubricant, if you will not do the proper lubrication, not only quality, if you will not take care of the proper lubrication, so there is chance of the bearing failure. So but the lubricant cost you around the 2,000 rupees, but the bearing cost will be more than 1 crore. Okay, for saving 2,000 rupees of lubricant, and you will lose your 2 crore rupees. So this is the literal meaning of word tribology. Tribology is a Greek word which could be superimposed tribology into tribos plus logos. It is a study rub and logic. So you can say it is a principle of rubbing or logic of rubbing. So it is a Greek word which could be superimposed as the tribology, tribos plus logos. Okay, so this is a fundamental concept, and this is the tagline of tribology. Okay, tribology is inevitable in practical situation, as by the Brown's law. So this is a tagline or Brown's law of tribology. If a machine is running, it means it is wearing. If it is not running, it is probably worn out. We have to replace that. Okay, we have to replace the component. A machine is not running, then it is wearing. It is very very important to understand. अगर कोई मशीन चल रही है, like if we are moving our joints, if our body, our bones are automatically grown, ठीक है, हमारी जो हड्डियां हैं अपने आप बनती हैं, टूटती हैं, बनती रहती हैं, ठीक है। Like our nature, our body is continuously generating the lubricant. It does not means our bones are not wearing, our bones are wearing. बट ये है कि अगर उनकी टाइमली रिपेयरिंग हो जाती है तो हमारी हड्डी अच्छे से काम करेंगी. अगर रिपेयरिंग नहीं होती देन इट विल नॉट वर्क इन ए बेटर वे. So tribology comes into picture whenever two components move against each other or rub against each other. So some examples are the bearings, gears, cams, triplet, tires, brakes, and piston ring. All of these components have two surfaces which come into the contact, support a load, and move with respect to each other. Sometimes it is desirable to have low friction to save energy, or high friction as the case of brakes. Usually, we don't want the component to wear, so they are lubricated. So, main domains of tribology are the friction, wear, and lubrication. These are the main domains of tribology in which we study. So, first two terms that I do friction, wear, we have to reduce, and we have to improve the lubrication. So recently, biotribology is also emerged as a very important tool because biotribology is very useful. So our tribological study in the most of the cases are inspired from the nature. So if you will see the lubrication, so most of the bearings or most of the joints, okay, okay, so they are made from the nature. So lubrication how? So the domain of biotribology that deal with the biological system, not machine part, biological system. So biotribology emerge an area like biotribology generally also there. Biotribology area concerned with tribology, its application in biomechanics, biomaterial, orthopedics, and other biological system. It can be defined as the study of biological system. So nowadays you will see the example that in a generally Ahmedabad city, you will if you will go to the data, more than 200 joint replacement surgeries done every day. Okay, joints are replaced. Okay, so that is you can see that is the example of biotribology. So tribological system in biotribology is little bit different when it comes to other. So what we do, like if you will see the example in the human joints, when we are placing a material in human body, so we cannot do the external lubrication. We cannot add the external lubricants. But what we do there, we add a self-lubricating material. So that is made of polymer. Mechanism like the jaw, diarthroidal joints in human animals are example of the systems that undergo friction and wear of tissues. The friction wear of hip and knee prosthetics are the other major areas where the tribology play a key role. The typical application of biotribology: wears of denture, friction of wears, friction of skin garments affecting the comfort of clothes. So, tribology of contact lenses, ocular tribology, tribology at micro level inside cells, vessels, capillary, such as lubrication by plasma of red blood cell in narrow capillary, wear of replacement heart valve, lubrication of pump in total artificial hearts, wears of screw, plates in bone fracture repair, lubrication pericardium, pleural surface, tribology of nature synovial joints, and artificial replacement. So these are the history. So best example that the history. So if you will go to the ancient history, so if you will see here, so what they are pulling this, okay, and this person here you will see, he is adding the lubricant. It is 5,000-year-old picture. So this person is adding the lubricant here, and and those two people are pulling this gray statue. Okay, so due to build Ichigan this tomb. So you can see the early civilization also developed a good tribological concept, so pottery, door hinge, and wheel cart carriage. So they do. If they have the also the concept and the practice of tribology, tribology to improve their fiction and to improve their life. So this is the warship record from the Lake 58, Lake Nimi near Rome, contain the bronze ball and rollers. used to support the rotating platform. You can see that at that time they have such good concept of diverging. So this is the Leonardo which discovered tangential force of friction between moving solid bodies is proportional to normal force. This is the picture, and his notebook shows many designs for moving parts machine that show remarkable similarity to those in use today. So this is John Ericsson designed and built clock that required no lubrication. So this is the concept and the history where the people use the trilogical system. Now come to the Beauchamp Tower experiment. It is very well-known concept in the area of lubrication. I will discuss this concept in next class. If you have any query related to this topic, please let me know. Yes. Now there is two students, so that's why I'm finishing earlier. Yes. If you have any query, please let me know. Yes. आवाज आ रही है आपको?
यस सर।
हाँ, कोई क्वेरी?
नो सर, ये टॉपिक में नहीं है, लेकिन मिड सेम में जो आपने पीपीटी भेजा उसमें से ही आएगा मतलब।
हाँ, लुब्रिकेशन में आएगा, इसमें से नहीं आएगा।
ये टॉपिक्स नहीं है ना आज का जो अभी
हाँ,
करवाया
बाकी
आपने?
लोग कहाँ हैं?
ओके सर, ओके।
बाकी लोग कहाँ हैं?
प्रेजेंटेशन में कम थे सर।
प्रेजेंटेशन किस चीज़ का था आज?
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सब्जेक्ट में था।
चलो ठीक है, इसको करो फिर हम बात करते हैं, ठीक है? ओके।
ओके सर।